How to make the easiest Ghanaian spinach stew with agushi is on a bill of fare today. Hello, it's a great honor to have you here. If today is the first time here, you are welcome. My returning ones, you are welcome as well. So we do share easy recipes here which you are going to fall in love with it. So if today is the first time here, please do not make it the last time of visiting. I'll be very grateful if you subscribe or follow for more videos. The good news is that it is absolutely free, so please do so for me. With this stew, oh my goodness, words cannot explain how delicious it was. Without further ado, let's get started. I have with me here my spinach. Okay, if you want to use contemporary or any green leafy vegetable, you are good to go, but today we are using spinach. It was well cleaned or washed with my salt. Okay, forget about any flies, but I will make sure they do not step on anything. Okay, we are outside, that is why, and it is normal. Okay, so after washing it with my salt water, now I have it on fire. I'm just going to cook it just a minute. Immediately I see it boiling, a minute's time, I will just bring everything out from the I will just remove it from the fire and then pour some cold water on it so that it will prevent it from cooking. Now what you are seeing there is my agushi or agushi or akatwa. I mixed with water and then salt. Now I have poured it in my oil, that is my jomi, and now I am going to fry it very well. So jomi is palm oil, but it is well spiced palm oil which tastes good, which is the number one best palm oil in the whole world. Yes, you can challenge with your phone, but that is the fact. That is just by the way. I have another oil on fire. I have added my onions to it, fry it very well, and now I've added my pepper, ginger, garlic, onion, and then fresh tomatoes. Now whilst the egusi is on fire, we will attend to this one, and then the egusi will do its own things, but I will be stirring it all. Make sure it does not burn, even though I am doing a whole lot of things at the same time, but I will try my best. Now we are going to cook the stew so that we don't have any liquid in there, and when we achieve that, I've added my chopped tomatoes. I realized that all the tomatoes were not chopped, so I've taken that one out and I cut them, and then now I added it to it. After some few minutes that I see that I don't have enough liquid in there, I added my proteins. Okay, so now it has been on fire for some time. I'll go ahead and then add my spinach. When the spinach was ready, I poured it in my strainer, added some cold water to it, as I said earlier, so that it will stop it from cooking. Okay, now I have added the spinach. I'll go ahead and then give it a stir. Because we have already cooked the spinach, we just don't have to overcook it. Okay, give it a stir, use any protein of choice, add any seasoning of choice, and then you are good to go. At this moment I have added my seasoning to it. It can be salt, it can be anything that you want to add. Okay, use the best that you like. Now after mixing it, you can see our stew looks absolutely delicious, and the flavor here, oh my goodness. This time around I have plan of peppering my neighbors. I'll pepper them with flavors. Yes, that is my plan for this summer. I will deal with them, and not only this summer, for the rest of my life. I'm going to pepper them with flavors. Just look at that, without the egusi or the katwa. It looks so good, and at this moment I was craving for yam. Yes, now We are just going to check on the egusi, and then I will get back to you. If you've watched till this point and you haven't liked the video, please, what are you waiting for? Can you smash on the like button for me? Leave me your comment in the comment section, and I'll be very happy if you share this video to others. Yes, now the egusi is ready. See, I did not stick to my promise. Okay, it got bent small because I had a lot of things to do that day. Now, after adding the egusi, I'll go ahead and then give it a stir. After giving it a stir, when everything is mixed well, I will then make sure I add the rest, so we are able to add everything. Just look how inviting and then mouth-watering it looks. I'll then go ahead and then add the rest till we are done with everything. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Please follow us for more videos. Our YouTube channel that we share the recipes in Tree language is Recipe Goddess. So please follow us and you will love it. At this moment, I realized that my pan was small. Yes, that is 10. Is it 7 quarts? Okay, that is 7 quarts, but it was small, so I decided to pour it in a bigger pan, and there you go. It looks so delicious, absolutely nice. We are just going to leave this on fire for some few minutes, and then you are good to go. If you want to add tin tomatoes to your stew, you can go ahead and do so, but my lovely one, I prefer using only the fresh tomatoes. See, outside it was getting late, so I decided to bring it inside to continue cooking. And just look at our stew, so good. This stew, oh my goodness, the owner fell in love with it. I mean, he fell in love. It was so nice. Try this recipe and trust me, you will like it. You will fall in love with it as well. I decided to taste for salt, and everything was on point. I didn't want to add enough salt. It is better to prepare food with low quantity of salt, so that when the person gets it and wants to add more salt, he can decide to do so. Or as you put it down for some time, the salt will increase. Okay, yes, so you don't cook food with enough salt. Yes, but it should be low, whilst the salt content will increase as we move on. And now it looks this. Just look at that, so delicious. I added curry powder, that is what you saw earlier, for extra flavor. Our stew looks so good and it is ready. Tell me what you are going to pair this with. I would have paired this with some yam, but unfortunately I did not eat some. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.